Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an absolute classic, a car that doesn't just belong on the road, it belongs in the history books. This is the 1968 Ford Mustang, and this particular beauty is affectionately known as Lucy. If you're a fan of American muscle, vintage style, and cars with stories to tell, buckle up because this one is going to hit you right in the nostalgia. Let's start with the first thing anyone notices, the way this car looks. The 1968 Mustang is unmistakable. With its long hood, short rear deck, and low, aggressive stance, it screams performance even when it's standing still. Lucy has been restored with love, keeping true to the original lines while adding just the right amount of personality. The chrome bumpers are polished to a mirror shine, the grille is clean and iconic, and the signature running horse badge right in the center makes sure you know exactly what you're looking at. This Mustang sports the fastback body style, and let's be honest, there's just something about that sloping rear roofline that makes your heart skip a beat. It gives Lucy that sporty silhouette, a look that has aged like fine wine. The side scoops, the round headlamps, the clean trim lines, every detail is exactly where it should be, like a time capsule on wheels. And the paint? A rich, glossy red that absolutely pops in the sunlight. Whether you're parked at a show or just cruising down the boulevard, Lucy turns heads. She doesn't just demand attention, she owns it. Pop the hood, and you're greeted with a beautifully maintained V8 engine that's all business. Depending on the trim and upgrades, the 68 Mustang came with several engine options, from the straight 6 to the legendary 390 big block. Lucy here is running a 289 cubic inch V8, one of the most beloved powerplants of the era. It's not the biggest, but it delivers a sweet balance of power and drivability. That deep rumble when you fire her up is pure music, no artificial engine noise here, just raw, mechanical soul. Driving Lucy is an experience that modern cars just can't replicate. The steering is heavier, the suspension more responsive, and every gear shift makes you feel like you're part of the machine. It's not about 0 to 60 times or lap records, it's about the visceral connection between driver and car. You feel the road. You hear the engine breathing. You smell the gasoline and oil. There's no touchscreen, no digital instrument cluster, no drive-by-wire, and honestly, that's the beauty of it. It's analog. It's real. It's driving the way it used to be. Slide inside and it's like stepping into 1968. The interior is a mix of simple design and muscle car flair. The first thing that grabs you is the classic twin-pod instrument cluster, with those round dials and chrome accents. The black vinyl bucket seats are surprisingly comfortable, and Lucy's interior has been lovingly restored to keep that vintage vibe intact. The 3-spoke.